How you can be obsessed and be successful in your dreams and your goals. When you go sleep, think about the next day, about your goals, about your dreams, what you wanted to accomplish. Next day when you drive your car away to work, think about your goals. When you eat, when you talk with someone, think about your goals. You see, all day you're thinking about one thing, your goals and your dreams. All more successful people, millionaires and wealthy people think about his goals, write their goals. So you see, what you're thinking about, you become about this. So don't forget, if you wanted to complete your goals, think about your goals and do it something and respect for making these goals come true.